Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you how to make concentrated or evaporated milk. So this is like the ideal milks, the carnation tea creamers, and the peak milks. Without wasting time, let's just get started. To start, I'll get a pan and come in with 1 liter of full cream milk. I'll add a pinch of salt to taste and about a tablespoonful of sugar. So I'll put it on low flame and let it boil. Now, when it starts boiling, it's going to foam. So you must make sure you have a big enough pan to allow room for the foam, or else it's going to create a mess. So as it's boiling, it's going to create this very thin film of fat on the surface, and you can just go ahead and remove it. So you have to mix it occasionally to just make sure it doesn't stick to the button or burn at the button. In all, you're gonna need about 30 to 40 minutes. After about 30 to 40 minutes, you realize the color changes from white to a kind of off-white color. So it's ready. I'll just put off the flame and let this cool down. So after it has cooled down, it forms another kind of a thicker layer of the fat on the surface. So I'll just scoop it off with my spoon. And I'll go ahead and strain it to give it a very smooth end product. Got my bottle here. This is about a 300 ml bottle. I got it from the supermarket. I'll go ahead and transfer the evaporated milk into the bottle. I keep this in my fridge and I use it up within about 2 weeks. Since evaporated milk is concentrated, it has some more flavor and a little bit goes a long way. I love to use it as a coffee creamer. You don't need a whole lot to feel the richness. I mean, it's great for desserts as well, so it makes it very tasty without leaving it watery. So here we are, and I hope I did help you. I hope you're gonna give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.